Hey kids, I am making this video for you so that you can understand how to access remote math classes, because I'm switching it up a little bit. Okay, so I'm signed on as a student right here, and I'm going to go into my math class. Now you'll notice up here there's a meet code, and it's not a clickable link, but that's the code that you need. Look up bs7gigcuds. So bs7gigcuds, bs7gigcuds is the math code. So you have a couple of choices. On the stream, if you look down at the stream, I've got a clickable link right here. So you can click that and it'll take you to the Google class. Or you can, on the Classwork, and I'll try to keep this on the top of the stream, but if other stuff gets posted in the stream, you might have to scroll down a little more. If you go to the Classwork section, under the manuals area at the top, it'll always be at the top, is again a clickable link. So you can click that and you'll go straight to the class. Another thing you could do is, if it's back here on, like I said, it's not clickable, but it's on the banner. So you can just highlight it and copy it and then go to a new tab and paste it. Oops, paste it. And there you go. That'll bring you, oh, if you're like me and you have more than one Gmail account, as you can see I have quite a few, you always want to make sure that you're logged in to your NSEDU account, because otherwise it's not going to work. And here we go. There's another way to get in. Now, another thing that you can do is, especially like if you're on your phone or, you know, you're away from your normal working situation, you can always go to either the Google Meet page on a browser, or if you've installed the Google Meet app onto your phone, you can just open the Google Meet app and they'll ask you for a code. And what's the math code? The math code is bs7gigcuds. And that will get you in math class that way. So there's a lot of options. I hope one of them works for you. Let me know what does and doesn't work. The camera's failing because I'm making this video, but you're so smart, you knew that. Okay, love you guys. See you soon. Bye.